Hello and welcome. I'm Vincent McCory and this is Africa 54. Nigerian President Goodluck Jonathan has signed a new bill into law banning gay marriage, gay rights advocacy and public displays of affection between same-sex couples. Homosexual acts were already illegal in Nigeria. Human rights activists say the new law rejects or rather reflects a larger trend to ramp up anti-gay legislation and penalties. VOA's Anne Luke has our report.
Nigeria's new same-sex marriage prohibition act has been condemned abroad but applauded at home, and it has given President Goodluck Jonathan a much-needed popularity boost.
I thought the Western world would so much pressurize us to bow to it, but hearing that the president signed against it, in fact, it's a kudos. I'm very glad that he could stand his feet and stand against such a taboo, because it's un-African. We don't want such things in our country.
Many African countries inherited their anti-sodomy laws from colonial rulers. Some have since added stiffer penalties. Uganda is waiting to see if its president will sign the anti-homosexuality bill passed by Parliament in December. Offenders could be imprisoned for life, and the bill also includes jail time for just providing services to those who are lesbian, gay, bisexual, or transgender, known as LGBT. Ugandan activists say they will fight the law.
It's not going to change us from being LGBT, it's not going to change us from being gay, it's not going to stop us from speaking out, it's not going to stop us from showing our faces.
Harassment and attacks against gays in Africa have surged over the past decade. Same-sex acts are illegal in 31 sub-Saharan countries. Actual enforcement varies widely, and the punishment ranges from years in prison to the death penalty. In South Africa, however, gay marriage and same-sex adoption are legal, and countries such as Mozambique and Botswana have outlawed forms of discrimination based on sexual orientation. But gay men and women say discrimination and danger persist throughout Africa. Senegalese activist Seydou Jamil Ba.
Many hide their sexual orientation or try to go abroad. I don't push anyone to come out. It is a risk to live openly as gay men in Senegal, in Africa. Anytime your sexual orientation is known, your life is in danger.
Defenders of anti-gay legislation in Africa say homosexuality is a threat to society, and that the laws are about upholding religious and cultural values. But analysts say politics play a role as well, and the laws can reflect a scapegoating of the LGBT community. Anne Luke, VOA News, Dakar.
A Uganda newspaper has reported that President Yoweri Museveni has refused to approve the controversial bill that would imprison homosexuals for life, saying there are better ways to cure what he calls, and I quote here, abnormality. Now, the Daily Monitor reports Yoweri Museveni wrote an 8-page letter to Parliament admonishing the lawmakers for passing the bill. But according to the newspaper, the president said he disagreed with Western countries that labeled homosexuality as an alternative orientation.